Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, what a move we got on the chart of Euro USD. Just look at the size of the candle. There was a massive fall on the chart of Euro USD. And if you look at the chart of DXY, then DXY also showed extreme recovery yesterday. My dear friends, before I proceed with the video, I would like to mention one thing very clearly, that market is extremely volatile right now. Market is very unpredictable. Not only Forex market, in fact, whole global market is very unpredictable right now. And Forex market will remain like this till 22nd March, till the FOMC statement, because market is waiting for the next interest rate hike news. Let's wait and watch, but market will remain choppy. So if you're a swing trader or positional trader, then this is not the ideal market for you. If you have the experience, then that's a different chapter. But if you're a new trader, okay, but cannot give much time to the market and you prefer swing trading, then this is not the market. You should just wait for the right time. And if you're a day trader, then yes, day trading is the only solution right now, and quick entry and exits are the best thing to do right now, because market is very choppy. So first of all, let's have a look at a chart of DXY, US dollar index. After this massive recovery, DXY is going for correction. There is no proper direction on the market right now. The index is standing at 104.47. So before news, yes, in the evening, in the US session, okay, it will be evening for me. In the US session, we have some news, jobless claims data, though it's not a very big news like an NFP or CPI, but still there will be some volatility. So before news, we can expect that DXY, if the correction continues, will take support around 104.27 and 104.08. 104.27 and 104.08. These are the two levels where we can expect DXY to take support before news. After news, nobody knows what will happen to the market. Okay, so in this type of market situation, when there is not much clarity, you should simply try to follow the trend of the market instead of looking for the tops and bottoms. Okay, instead of looking for reversal trades, following the trend is the best survival strategy. Yes, best survival strategy in this type of market. Okay, so after news, if you see the market shows extreme bullishness, then just follow the trend of the market. Okay, now let's have a look at a chart of euro dollar. Okay, euro USD. Okay, right now you can see that's showing some price rejection around the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. So as the market has been extremely volatile, so it's better to focus on the major levels only. Okay, so first level or the major level for the day is 1.0640. This is the first resistance on the chart of euro USD, and we are considering resistances because of the previous fall, because of this massive red candle. Okay, we are considering 1.0640 because of the 100 moving average as well as Fibonacci 50% retracement around this area. So before the news, if market hits also this level, there's a possibility that market will face some struggle, market will face some resistance, and if market reverses, you can look for a sell position. And in case market breaks this level, then the second resistance for us is around 1.0667. This is the second resistance on the chart of euro USD. We are considering this level because of Fibonacci 61.8% retracement level as well as previous support around this area. So we are hoping that previous support will act as resistance, and Fibonacci level of 0.618 is one of the strongest levels. So this level is really good. Okay, so these are the two resistances where we can look for selling opportunities for the day. And on the chart of euro dollar, euro USD, fiber, okay, I am not recommending any buy levels because of this current situation. Yes, we do have some support around this area, but market has already tested the support 3 times. Personally, I'm not going to take any buy position in this level, so I will not recommend also. Okay, so this is all about Euro USD, and this is the only trading opportunity that I see on the market right now. If I have missed anything, write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Anyways, my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management. As I always say, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Capital protection should be your first priority always. If you're unable to understand the market behavior right now, just watch the market. Don't need to take position. Market is not going anywhere. When market will be back on track again, you should be having your capital with you so that you can trade. Do not lose your capital in this unpredictable market right now. And thanks a lot for giving so much overwhelming response to my 3 days workshop, which is about to start from today. Bye bye. Take care.